Gotta go back in.
Gotta go back in. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Brother D, aka Struggle 3. If I'm back in this video, back in better than ever. Now, today we about to do another food reaction video, food review. Right now, it's just me right now. I might have a special guest later. I'm gonna let y'all know when, but today we're gonna try the Little Caesars Crazy Puffs, or Craze, the new Craze. So I'm gonna go inside, order it up real quick, see what it feel like, see what it's about. Like I said, I don't eat pepperoni, only cheese. So we're gonna try that out. You feel me? You feel me? I see I got a haircut and stuff like that, so y'all can chill out in the comment section about my hair, dude, type, all that. You feel me? I need a retwist, but I got a haircut type shit. But I'm gonna go inside the store, order this food real quick, and then get back to y'all, alright? I'll be back. Now we got Little Caesars, we about to walk in type shit. I'm gonna get y'all, hold on.
What kind of drink?
Oh, Starry? A soda.
The small one?
Yeah.
So a cheese puff and a star and a 20 ounce?
Yeah. And then can I get a Buffalo Ranch?
That's it?
Yeah, 2 Buffalo Ranch. Alright, YouTube, now we're back and we got our special guest finally arrived. Check yourself out, check yourself.
Young Amari, you back on the tour soon.
Back on the tour soon. So now we gonna try out the Crazy Puff Little Caesars. But I heard you can't try this without the Buffalo Ranch. You ever heard of the Buffalo Ranch, man? No, I got a little bag on it. Tea bag.
Ain't this Ice Spice things?
No, come on, bro. No Ice Spice today, bro. No Ice Spice today. So these are the Little Caesars bowls. TJ, look at it. Yeah, piece of it, huh? Yeah, look at it, cooked up now. So first we're gonna try it without the sauce, then with the sauce. You know how we get going. Here's your sauce. Here's my sauce. You know we gotta get 2 sauce all the way. Alright, let's dig in. So we try it with no sauce. First, okay, let me turn it. Check that out again. Okay then, it's a circle nugget type of thing. Smell like mozzarella sticks.
Smell good.
Alright, ready? Okay, bite.
I see why they say use buffalo sauce.
You see it already? I ain't never tried it.
Put a buffalo sauce on it.
Right, before we even rate it, let's hit the buffalo sauce, man. That's that real sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna see the real sauce, though. Okay. What do you feel about this so far? Yeah.
I give it like, for Little Caesars, I'll give it like an 8 out of 10. For it being Little Caesars.
Overall, though.
Overall, like a 7.
7. Traveling time. I don't know.
If you hungry, it's gonna do the job.
I'm gonna give it an 8. Overall. This is best. For $4?
$4?
$4, not $5. $4.
Overall might be an 8.
Yo. For Little Caesars, like a 9. Try to. For real, 9. For real. Let's double check this one. This one that I love in my puffy in there. I don't know. Let's see if we got one got
more juice.
Oh, look at that. I can't really tell. Alright, let's see.
Buffalo.
Right out the Buffalo again. I'm gonna ship Buffalo this time.
$4.
Oh yeah. Look at him. Might be my new thing.
Might have to go back in.
Might have to go back in. Nah, this one right up best for sure. I'm good. Overall, let me start between a 7 and an 8.
I like 7.5 to 8.
I know I don't do 0.5. I did 0.5, this is 7.5. Okay. But I keep it solid. So, now that was the new Little Caesar Crazy Puffs with the Buffalo Ranch. I never tried the Buffalo Ranch before. First time. That be it. You got anything you want to say to the viewers?
2024, we taking over. Leaving it at that.
Tight shit.
I want to see.
Tight shit. Now, are you gonna post on YouTube?
For sure.
When is your next video?
Can't say that yet. Can't say that yet.
Niggas say
Soon
that,
though,
they be
real
capping.
soon. Nah,
Niggas say that they be capping. You ever thought about going live on Twitch? What you mean?
nah.
Why you say 9?
Because like, I'm not a gamer, bro.
You don't gotta be a gamer.
But I'm not. I can't just sit there and talk to the camera that long, bro. I can't do that.
You think it? People that be doing
If
that
I
be
do
like
it,
crazy?
if I do it, it gotta be somebody doing it with me. Like I can't be the only person. I gotta be around people who are doing it too.
All day.
It's possible.
You watching your whole movie. So you on your arm. Man, you kinda look dirty, though. And make sure what that you again? And that Bradbury. Alright. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Go to his channel. What's your channel, man? Go giving us your Instagram name.
Marty the Kid.
Marty the Kid. I seen the last video. We 1v1 again. That was crazy. I mean, we had to run that back. Back then it was like crazy. I'm still missing layers, as y'all can see. But it's all good. It's all Gucci. We do got somebody back here. DJ. But we ain't getting that boy no clout in there right now. Man, that's Bradbury. Make sure like, comment, subscribe. That's Bradbury. We're out.